we think everyone should have the opportunity to walk and cycle. Sustrans are a charity that makes it easier for people to walk and cycle. We started in Bristol in 1977, but we're now a UK-wide charity. Our mission is to see more people being able to walk and cycle, and as part of their everyday lives, to work, to school, to the shops. And volunteers are a key part of that journey for us. At Sustrans, we have about 3,500 volunteers dedicated to supporting all of our work all around the UK. They enable us to do more. They are part of the communities that we're working in, so we can ensure that the work we do is for everyone. Before we implemented Assemble, we were using a range of different systems and processes and spreadsheets that were really inefficient. We weren't really able to see and understand volunteering very clearly. We knew we had to find a better solution. Assemble ticks all of the boxes. It's a powerful platform that offers a really great point of entry for volunteers and volunteering. It's a great resource for managers to use as well, with a really easy to use, engaging, intuitive dashboard. So we've been working with David from Access for the last 18 months. He's been very much with us on that journey, learning on the staging site, then building the live site, training our colleagues, and then David and the Access team supported us all the way through to the launch of the platform. Visibility of opportunities is really important to us because volunteers will come to us or be looking for a volunteer opportunity and be ready to volunteer now. And the opportunities page embedded into our website is easy and it's accessible. The level of engagement with Assemble is really high with new volunteers. They're having a really positive first experience through the recruitment portal, and they're staying on Assemble afterwards, visiting the document hub, looking at the news features, reporting their activities. I'm now pushing on to a 50% engagement target to be reached in the next couple of months. The app for some volunteers has been a really great addition, and being able to launch with the app was crucial. So one of the things we're going to be doing is evolving our offer to enable light touch volunteering, people who only have a few hours a week, and Assemble will enable us to send out communications to people, ask them every now and again if they can complete a few tasks. We've got some really exciting plans to integrate our online mapping system, ArcGIS, with Assemble. Assemble is a big game changer for us. We have a very easy to engage with volunteer platform, and I'd say go for it.